Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Style. A wonderful morning, afternoon and evening to you all, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy's Styles. I have fantastic short hairstyles that are beautiful and classy for beautiful black women. Those haircuts are really a statement haircut that will take many years off your age. So this hairstyle is recommended both for the seniors, if you have the salt and peppered hair or you have the gray hair. Those styles on your screen will suit your face and will really give you that change of look you want. So if you really want something dairy, you want a haircut that will make you look sophisticated, you want a hairstyle that will make you look younger and take many years off your age, you are in the right place, because here in Wendy's Styles we're here to promote short hairstyles that will make you look gorgeous, make you look younger, and it's in a low maintenance style that will always make you look beautiful. So if you're looking for a versatile style, for that occasion, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end, because you're not going to regret watching this video, for we have carefully selected about 15 beautiful short haircuts with videos for you guys to try on your next visit to the salon. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. Okay, don't forget using the right products that will give you that healthy hair texture, using the right color. This will always help your coils to look this gorgeous, which we always recommend here. You can check my description box for the link on how you can get the products I advertise here, which is like the MIELLE, the Dukes, the Carver's Daughter, the Kings and Coils. So within $7 to $20 you can buy them online through Amazon or AliExpress, and you will get them looking, use them on your hair and look this beautiful also. So you are a lucky chap also if you can do this hairstyle yourself without visiting the salon. You can just do this style at home and you will come out looking so dashing. So let me allow you guys to just serve all the styles we have for you guys. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Still look to wear the styles for more beautiful short haircuts like this coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.
For the joy of meeting Jesus, I prepare my heart for the coming endless life. I prepare my heart to your well and faithful servant. I prepare for the coming of Jesus. I prepare for the coming of the Lord. No room for distraction, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the Spirit, 'cause my life is from above. Prepare, Lord, I prepare. I prepare my for the joy of meeting Jesus. I prepare my heart for the coming endless life. I prepare my heart to your well and faithful servant. I prepare for the coming of Jesus. I prepare for the coming of the Lord. No room for distractions, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the Spirit, 'cause my life is from above. Prepare, Lord, I prepare. I prepare my heart for the life that is to come. I prepare my heart for the joy of meeting Jesus. I prepare my heart for the coming endless life. I prepare my heart to your well and faithful servant. I prepare for the coming